Hello. Yeah. Good man. TW. Number 1 leading team. Vhathu vha Vhari rinifuna nga maanḓa vhana vha Mkalari anifuna nga maanḓa. We love you so much and you know musi khushumusi itshi khou swika ngorali rini tamela khushumusi na nyuwere ya vhuḓi ngauri without you we are nothing and you are also nothing without us. You are nothing without us, and without you, we are nothing. So both of us, we need each other. We need each other unconditionally. So yeah, so we need each other. So songo chancelana. Muthu onokhoyo rohya smailana. Recall. Ndo ṅwala po caption hapo uri khodane po Ravheka musi Muofhe vha tshi murwa a songo lifhedza thi vha khou tou murwa ra huma vha tshi Sema a songo vha fhindula murahu vha khou ḓo murwa a songo kana vha tou murwa nga face kha ningo a songo lifhedza. So hey, lo umthakathi lo bafuna ukubulala ngeDecember yo laba abantu asikholomo ndi muthu kwebona la kholomo ina khofino nonga muthu uri ṱoḓo uri upfi roto ra kholomo upfi Ravheka ngangwe bewe na mpoto nga ndi dza Juni madzono vibva zwino hai mkwe bewe ni show zono vibva hai mkwe adze to vibva kwedza to vibva vana va Mkalari
kana mafhungo a vonda kusika kumia Muofhe vhathu munorenga zwiambaro zwa vhanani vhathu
roko posta vya Muofhe kha TikTok onorenga kitira ya vana
abeni busy man ato filmi ya Muofhe avachewa mara ngovi ondoro zvisani
they can die, they cannot survive.
Ndo vana posta nyingo za kuba
they cannot survive. Vangasitshile so vhathu vane na khou posta Muofhe ndo renga zwiambaro ngauri Muofhe a vha ṱoḓi muthu uri huvhe ene u solve mafhungo avho vhone vhaṋe vha muhulwane a si ṅwana vha muhulwane a si ṅwana. So veiwe afho zwiambaro
arabe vona lo ri no ḓibvisa kha mafhungo a Muofhe musi
vhodwa vha ḓipata futhi
vha ḓi vhuyedzedza
a vho ngo tou ḓivhuyedzedza vho tou ḓipata roba kha mafhungo a vhewe nengo kha mafhungo a vhewe roba ri tsha dzhenelela ngori nga si sikone zwa vhathu vha vhapengo nda 1 2 3 jiki
owa muḓini ndi nga vha ndo tou lala ndi khou ambiwa ḓuvha ḽoṱhe mulo vhathu vha khou dzhenelela
vhege i khou fhela muṅwe khou ambiwa nga vhuya Muofhe ndi SABC lini vhege i tou fhela tha ni khou amba nga Muofhe ni SABC lini vewe roba kha mafhungo a vewe roba ani vhaṅwe vhathu arini vhali roba kha vhana
ende ndi kha ḓi ḓo ni nyelisa nṋe ndi funesa mafhungo
zwino no bato vhana a vhathu
nyisa nyinyi ndi funesa mafhungo ndi nga si kha mafhungo anga vhe
nyanyenyonyi
ndi kha ḓi ḓo ni nyisa nyanyenyonyi ndi funesa mafhungo.
These people nṋe ri ndavha na vhathu vha songo yaho tshikoloni a ri tevheli zwithu zwa vhathu vha songo yaho tshikoloni vhana
busy na mpasa ngo tshikoloni
Nderofunze nerina degree evana mutu ukoribona ndiri mutu erina degree yototofunga na wifi ya mshumo okubona vantu vasongo yawo chikoloni nderofunzeya nerina university nerina magaweni riateletopengiswa ngazvidhera evana mutu waningeili ofisini lawe line ofunzera khalo evana Numbrisani veini hevana tiri vuchirashuvune rava comfortable kao. Why are you worried about it Nikomfori, we are stupid in such a way we can't take our own decision. Then you are the master, you can tell us what to do. Ewena be matured man. Ndikwambori arabe unavona mpengo ako jena dhakani nabe uniko jena dhakani ngevana haini ndi mpengo lo jena dhakani mara nabe uniko tevera dhakani nerafunze hevana hevana kanti ukwete are you okay upstairs huna mwana uparliament enotofunga na wifi ozula panda computer ndiri huna line kuru hamaspara otodzulera life uko darera
Muofhe bukaligege akala tuna free wifi ya connected valiti ngoruna mafungo mia mopopo bacho bandana na rubondo rwa ligege ariko todo bono mia mo nene bebo na mvura ko busy
imagine
tina yo renga data una
hange hamaspara una vatu vane votofura line zvino avakotusiwa hoyo mutu usokotori kodipedzisa rikodakavo imagine nikusiza wena get life man ndiri uyu mutu hamaspara una line ya vatu vonosvika 10 hezvi atusa mutumtii utusamtumti maybe nga 15 minutes ajia 30 minutes aisa ka SABC are you okay?
Ndinye mwana ya professor wabanganyimera mia Muofhe ritomuvisa ritoya lunch really gege apala barengera steak na boards
vatu va 6 vane vatu va 6 vane vako vaveya nga nyimele yavo rwine nga vuchilelo kavo rwine naneri vo 4 vava nga ndirena kofanga yo vava vewe evana vavukala nga ndirene veuda ko 4 vava ngayo naneri vo 4 vavo rivewo ni ko 4 vava zvino rikombera vatu va 6 rivaise ligege rivapfumule mitodzi rile navo ngori vakolira nga nyimele yavo rwine we are also crying for you why no rine rikati ri office ni yavo rwine we are doing our own, we are living our own life and that's what yo vura paniki tekisi ela
kuna driver
oi rikotoda vatu va 6 varoko vaviwa nga nyimele dzavo rwine ngori narineri votomo vaviwa nga ndira ine veona kuvaviwa ngayo ritodisa ligege ritola roda apa saselemane vari huna galitosi vari huna galitosi rofuenelwa nga galitosi ya saselemane. They want to do business with us. Inga guy Khalitos. And they don't interest about what we idea. We want Saselemane Galitos.
Okay.
At the heads marat continues.
Country.
Yeah, K. Galitos. Nkombela kungena kwala. Vhari ndira. Yebo. Minjani? Nkombela kungena kwala. Ya ni tendela nyana phanda. Ikota kungena kwala. Ichenzo ikadi brand yo. Shabe wadu vandu andotakala ndichikori. Yonovula. Rikodola. Nam. Ai jinamu. Irivala miladu.
Zvinota solo vantu niri ari jenama riri vale mia Muofhe.
Meuni kudita zvorirera ride dzifranchise ntswa adzivhuri dzisongori kwama. Franchise ntswa adzivhuri dzisongori vidza radaraita business nadzo. Meuni kudiririra vantu vade. This is not a dumping game. Look at the franchise who call us to they want to do business with us. No, you must be serious. Baby. Baby, wait. Come on. Kalito si isa to know the brand. If you know Vhari nori, come and do business with us. Kalito si isa to know the brand. If you know Revisor, come and do business with us. Then we will never need to for goes of Kuma. We really need your advice. No. No, but whatever advice, the franchise owner, you know what I'm saying? But whenever advisor, the franchise owner, what for the franchises? Zabo Galitos, KFC, Nando's, and whatsoever. Usika advice, goes of Kumanikoisa CV left and right and Kotoriwa. Navani Koto Renengos of Kumariwane advice, Kainane, not Zula office, no in the salary. I don't know, you must be serious. Goes of Kumariwane advice come to an budget take at the Mura. No, my guy, Arkoto Nyaza cannot mean. What to venerate our business of one on? Look at this, look at this, yo, look at this. Come and look this. Yo, look at this. These are the people who must give us advice. You know what I say? These are the people. When the business of our visa. Yo, look at this. Look at this. These are the people. Mara riveri chikotodo sika advice kama shudu ono zula mudunungu. Riveri chiko sika advice kandwa kuru wangurumbi. Mbakuru wangurumbi aba achiko daka Facebook aba achiko comment uri hi hey bewe nikuita zone hey bewe this and that. No, my brother, you need to be serious. You need to be serious. We mean business. We are in business. So Baramam Kana, you must get life. But it's rare to receive advice from someone from Korongonya while you have the associate like the franchise owners. But when Musibasa to the business, they call you. They say, hey, Apa, okay, we have achieved this. What do you think? Imagine when our franchise, okay, I've achieved this. What do you think? That you know what, my brother, let's do this and this. And that you know what, my brother, the advice that I can give to you, let's do this and this and then so that our business can run. And then the your business, our business can run. Ngorindina shares marketing. Mara una mwemu tu onofi zivuruani. Ane uzura kwe. Uko for ndikotio ya ka standard chawe ndikotio chira ako bufuna no You must rethink your doing. Ne. Ndaba ndiko jia advice. I want to call. Bana mamkara. So 07670596007. Yeah.
Ai jinama.
Iribala milando.
Muofhe, riribale Muofhe. Atakuribala watu. Ai kusuto das chaka tunjuzunji.
Adufara. Ai jinyamo. Iribala milando. Hewan.
Ai jinama. Ngiri kubali zulimbo.
Ai jinyamo. Ala milando. Ni gayo ko tanga na minona mamkara. Yeah, look at this. Come and look at this.
Nitendi.
8.
Wawege yo ofisini. Titeti. Mbona ina quality hivi TMBC.
Bar minabat.
Yo. Ndio uzofu ni life.
Kabamba no. Atwako dozumulisa.
Urori mtu ene akufori.
Mtu oriko do re-advise akati mari buzoro ona franchising ngana.
Ati kubeke ambuze zvabuda. Vona bya bathu boferisa bone butungu. Ngo ndibopfera bewe butungu ende zibotoma mpheina zvino. Zibotoma ndina bati. Zibotoma ndina ngori bathu bari Muofhe ndi mpengo. So mpengo ni pfera ni mpengo butungu ngo.
Bafera ni mpengo butungu.
Yambori ni pfera ni mpengo butongo. Ngori biwona biwona kuti uzibona unozwa kuma zvinhu chitibira chingoboka ngori nono pesa advice ngisa tutujena.
Yes. Okay. Ndandiko diputedza audio. Zvinoenda kusumbesa zvoni zvauri vewo zvavukuma arali ni normal nari ni khopfela rine vutungu sa zvino na claim sa zvone chothoma vewo ni claim no funzeya ni claim lati okay ni claim ora ni pengi
penga mia mo
kupenga mia Muofhe na livu okay
mia mo pengo jena chikolo
and ni claim no fura vewe mia Muofhe ndibone verandara
ti ni claim uri vewe ni sidera mia Muofhe ndidera
zvino the question is vewe arali zvavukuma no funzeya zvavukuma no fura zvavukuma nisina ndala and no tanya the question is why nisa humi murawa vatu vasongofunzeyawo vane vavana ndala ngauri aberine when we look at you we see you as the most stupid when we look at you samadhanana ofese vanena koriri ne vewo vanena koriri ne arongofunzeya and stuff chothoma ariyo richidivona rine ariyo ka class ya vewe you are not one like you are not near our level aniyo ka level ya vorine vewe then musinisiyo ka level ya vorine we feel like zvine namba azviriti chitu and you can see uri zvine namba azviriti chitu but the problem is musi vewe nisakutendo uhuma karine now we start asking ourselves for it are these people okay upstairs ngauri we have our own people whenever advisor we have our own standard and our own class una class ya vatu vane vavadzi associate dzavo rine vane vaka standard chongari advisor vaka standard chine they can talk to us business but not you ane ava online ina ko commentary mia Muofhe votodzura ngandara mia Muofhe ndibari mia Muofhe this and that when we look at you as a fool you know if we compare you to an animal really compare na kuto vewe nina ko comment
ngora ni sapengi na dobani saboni it's like
uko kuna ngwana baby
pengo mihuru
ndikwambori arali ava vatu vanormal vasapengi kava pengo vatoda mina okay look rikodonitsvera ti ndichibhurebhure this is in Saselemane. In Saselemane what is happening right now there is a franchise in Yavori Ndia Galitos. The Galitos is opening at Saselemane. So you know for your business to boom, for your business to run, you know TWT is the only way to go. So these are the people that we roll with. We roll with the franchise owner. So if the franchise owner my guy, this is what we have achieved so far. Can you come and sit with us down and then we talk business and then we talk or we want to do business with you. Then Havana Chaveni ane hoyu Chaveni ungurumbi uko mwana ka Facebook uri you are a fool, you are a wizard, you are an idiot.
Ande kama jina ni Aira bewe kama jina ni Aira she
hawati ezoro
ai jina ma iri wala ndu
ro zvino mangu madzina romangu madzina ne you can't believe uri but vori ro madzina ndava wonjira call me na hava tu tutidzi comment adziko ndako ifone yawe visit comment why
maybe to the rotate you.
No, I've done that.
It's a very regional.
Tea in the YouTube. So, at the front of
the Facebook.
To check. Never quit business. Oh, don't say Vorum Kabako. For SABC, we cannot open the franchise without sitting down with you and we talk business. The franchise owners, they cannot open a business without contacting us. And you are there telling us that we are a fool, we are stupid. Who is stupid enough between you and us? Eh? Nikwamburi, riko advice wanga mtwane, riko advice wanga mtwane abori uhayani. Eh? Riko advice. Yeah. Okay, riko mrobuza. Bewe nina kore advisor. Jamaro zabana no renga. Kana you can explain.
Ya club yone uma.
Hey, ya grocery zaba tu za club yono umana. The people they advising us and hey, it's crazy out there. What kind of advice nina foringoza kuma you can give TWT varanga panda? We are the leaders, eh? Salini mchiro chivo elechedza tori sedzisani ndira.
Endera kadizo rinyerisa ranga rinyerisa mia Muofhe rinchifinesa mapungu.
Salini
maningo mapungu nasani kwam.
Don't insert your nose.
Ranga rinyerisa ndikadizo rinyisa nyi.
Salini mchira uchi advice tori sedzisani ndira. Ndikadizo nyiswa nyanya nyonyonyo. Yeah. Eh? We are rolling with the big franchise here. And then you sitting there, Fasiamuri eating market, and you think you are special. Eh? Never Corolla Navachena, business in Navachena. Eh? Corolla Navachena, create a business in Navachena, create a business in Namakua. Advice in the Cumber Mutana Koto advice and Atome Ambuze franchise in I own. Baby, mutoroko todo dzura pasi narine. Kari vuzuru uona KFC fiyo. Uona Galito fiyo. Uona Nando fiyo. Mara so rikoto da advice ya mtu anokopecha matera staratali ringana instead yori ni advice ringana mara disatera lo pamwa ona ripechera lo.
Mutu doba ko boni life yako so kwenya tando wa.
Rigana varava Rabaisera tera lo pamwa ola odiliro to pechiwa. Not to read advice kai no. Rekoto da batu banebo no like they are there. You know what I'm saying? It's not a pride. It's all about the levels and the standard. The levels and the standard. You can see the person and the komu insulta. Galito say non isa seleman. Nebo na malam lele rara zita. Zasno risa selemane. Rekodo zita. Nikokono zwana risasele mane rikodo zviita zvinoveiwe let's talk about the levels and the standards. Niko advice aniga vako advice anovavi wavagai mutechiresi ngauri rito cheko ri unena kuvavi wanione asi hone uroko nivaisana before nichikani kuvavi wanga mapungu avore ungawana uri environment inena vakayo iko nivaisa hapo nena vaone huko nivaisa. No.
Nato suzamia mopo skoni ba isa bansa konturera newe kombrosa pengeriwo.
Cheka ne na dzura ono huko niita kudu nangori. ni ḓo zwifha nga mia Muofhe. Huna vhathu vhane vhege yo vhuya ya to fhela mia Muofhe this mia Muofhe that hayani na tshisevho tshi khou short mia Muofhe this mia Muofhe that
vhathu boṱhe vhano khou vhavhiwa nga nyimele ya mia Muofhe uri vha khou tambula mini irandi ri vhudzea namusi ni songo ntulela ni songo mpengela ni songo ntulela.
Who are you? Who are you?
Ni songo mpengela muthu khou tambula na ḽiṅwe ḓuvha thumbu.
Baby kani ene ono ya kha dzi Facebook dza vhathu vha khou sokusuka ra ini na ini ni khou tambula une ra nga ri thamusi vha khou to mulifhedza murahu.
Huna muṅwe muzono khou amba badi fola kha Facebook ni ya ḓivha. Hey
wa musidzana khoyu
o muthu ndurusu zwawe ndi ḓo muwali ngo ḓuvha panchi zwiḓivha zwine khou pfi mia Muofhe vha ḓe ya life dan oyo muthu oyo ngori wosu zwawe zwoṱhe zwi khou sokou gana mo muthu.
Imagine.
Andi muambe ngazina.
Nane vhala vhane nyimele yavho rine ri tshi vha sedza ri vha pfela vhuṱungu vha vho ri vha khou pfela rine vhuṱungu.
Ndo seya bwe kula muthu bebi ule wera ri khou muamba mulwa muthu ndo ntsisa but
imagine nyimele nga fhala muthu ane ne ri tshi musedza ra mupfela vhuṱungu u vho ri khou pfela rine vhuṱungu. He vhana, can you deal with your personal issues and leave us alone? Na ku deal na swo zwa heavy swo zwa serious we get life even serious na
mchizo za nyimbo za makazi ni dilele na maneno yawe niliche mia Muofhe this mia Muofhe that kwamba mia Muofhe ti
mara kada to mbudza rife advice yanyi kadzi franchise owner vhane abavuli mavhengele avo vha songo ri kwama uri kha ri ḓi ri vha thuse nga dzi
na vha vhone vhathu vhane ri to dzula navho ra
for okay ini ngori ni na KFC tharu ni khori ubu vhutshilo ri to vhuitisa hani ambo ra no tshila ni nga yendela na yendela then we good mara iṅwe out ine i khou rengisa khuni robothoni iṅwe out
ine rengisa mboma
i khou rengisa dzi charger pulukwane hange robothoni haye zvokakeya vara vamukana
musadzi mutuku ndinyi nashaona musadzi mutuku auda musadzi
vana vamukana utalipa bhasu ya chikoloni. Do you know huna vhathu vanji vo ambaraho magaweni vane vava mabhari? We have a full graduate, we have a stupid lawyers, we have a stupid teachers, we have a stupid
prayer works ndi dzina la muthu nawe ndingasindiche kori bidi
vana vamukana. We have a stupid financial advisors, we have a stupid niko kuno ngwana relax what are saying say
nishakumarana
hey abathu abaphi manje
sangwambamboni
vana vamukala huna dzi graduate dza zvidera huna vhathu vhane vha ri linde ndi mpengo linde ngo thanya linde ndi tshidela linde una ndala. The question is, why are you following chidela if not thanya zwa vhukuma? That's why we
are going to bazori mia Muofhe bana ndala nsa disi grocery kamsi ndota kwalivo
ndikwamba ri arali vone vo fura va skimelani vathu veri na ndala ndikwamba ri if zwa vhukuma no fura ni skimani vathu veri na ndala fana vamukala rine huna vathu vane we talk to them ri amba navo business not you kadofara rina vathu vane we talk with them business vonani right now riko jaya life there is a franchise at Saselemane. There is this Galitos. The Galitos is here. Before they can even finish to build this franchise, they make a call. Munabona. We can't do business without you. Where are you? Zwakala belela kamu. Ngokonodwa. Raswika. This is Galitos. Mara mutoroko comment uri zvidara. Hoyo muthu zvino angavotoisa CV. Uko toda utholiwa, Vatu vane ramba navo mafunga dzi advice. They are the owners of the franchise, not you. I can't talk advice now. Ndikambori ndaba ndichikojia advice ya mtu ane ukopecha matera robotron baby. Mtu ukopecha matera robotron uko todo palibu advice. No, I rather bring out in a pecha tera ranipana tip. Honestly, I can't take your advice, not because I'm disrespecting you, just only because of the levels and the class, the standard. Ngoko nongwana. Una batu never advisor. The owner that's the franchise, not you. Ndukambori niwane mtononga MC Ostini. Ane musi huna mnyanya achividziwa ubadelwa nga plate ufika chimbize mshumo. Haba weno rokotopa advice libu ane the franchise zichivula.
Ndofa kusea. Mbona mtu ndofa kusea? Ndofa kusea. Zimeferi kolirana.
Ndikuno ufani kosea da nufani kolira. Ufani kutawa bosi. Para mkara. Ndikumuna mtononga Ostini akotoyo advice libu. Ostini achividzova MCF wa plate. Libu galito zichivra franchise. The owner azichimuvizori, we are opening the franchise at Saselemane. Go there. Make us trend. Ndikotoyo jia advice yanyi ya Ostini. Kana ndikotoyo jia advice ya franchise owner. Ne rofunze abadi. Rofunze onifira. Ara nofunze onifira. Why are you here?
Tumia mafuwa daba ndichitu dematin.
Abe una, there are people who never buriba wambara the graduate. Ebana abe wambara gaweni azvyambu ufunze, zvyamba ukrema zvena budzwa nakona na pasa. Ngokono ngwana. Wambara gaweni zvyambori ini zvena funzwa no zvikrema na pasa. That doesn't mean that you are clever. Ningabali graduate marani stupid. You know how? I don't go to the you can be a graduate but a stupid person. Ndi apala unena wana financial advisor ako chimbranga gole ni akokoro da banga mara achifi financial advisor nga degree yawe. That's where unena kono pambanyisa a stupid and clever, intelligent and a fool. You know what I'm saying? You can be a graduate but a stupid. You can be a graduate but a fool. A financial graduate, financial advisor graduate, ane abori nduyawe ikabondo kana gore yawe ndichikorodo. That person is a fool. You can't be a financial advisor na dibani skorodon. Ngokono ngwana. There are stupid lawyers like Ndika. There are stupid lawyers like Ndika. There are stupid people baneba mubusoni. They are stupid people who never kushuma hamaspana. That's why each one of the service delivered this assembly because those people they are stupid. But they're intelligent. They know how to survive in this life. But whenever fiba wala kazi intelligent banene ndaba bala bana bamkara. Ndiba tubo nokono chira ka obu chiro from their own hustling. Ngokono ngwana. But whenever kono chira outside from the box of ndingador mini ba arali inwi hahanu kana inwi nichikono chira nisi ofasia government system arali ini nichikono chira nisi ofasi the franchise kana nichiko shuma Shoprite KFC whatsoever ini arali nichikono chira hahanu nisongo di badekanyanga mumuso noto imasa ese BC nichikono survivor. You are intelligent. I salute you. You must call me Rabana Lanchi. Ni batu baneranga kono dzula ramba ini. Mara ini arali hanu uchichirwanga system ya mubuso ine batu basa hora ni affected. No, you and I we can't talk business. No, my guy. You are not from my level. Idara nichikono idara le Shoprite ayiko wera bashumi ini nakwamea. No. You and I we can't talk business. Arioka levelenti. Inwi arali hanu chipi KFC ayiko badira bashumi hanu na affected. No. We are not in the same level. Mara inwi hanu arali hafi company people ayingo badira bashumi but you survive. You and I, you are my friend. Salute. You are my friend. Write your name there. I will read it live on Facebook. Write your name. Any other outside from this government system. Salute. Eh? Mara ini arari no system eno nini abaoneka obu uchiro yo ni fara. No. We are not in the same level. The winning team. Eh? Ngokono ngwana. Mara ni wani ndikobuzo ofindichi dela nga mtu ane hoyo mtu une abaone uko runga zvienda. Kana zvienda zvavanezi.
Kuti totopora muna mumtu uko commenta fora feni ndi amdivo mtu odishengerera shema tukana kusikorwa hit and run. Kodomo toporo iri domina life nga madekwana. Nibeli red.
Heban. Nechipepe uri korombi na hawe zvambo rivachira nangwe shoprite wapfe aiko bhadhira vashumi
ndizomfera kutongundo nisongotodoto montulera nisongoviyana ntulera mne ngomfera kutonguri mini ndikusongotuleriwa kombero sapengeriwa ene ngazozi kuzulana komfera kutongundo ninyerisana
ndongansari gomba ndichipezorifera kutongundo rigomba
ninyerisana mwari ndisandivi zvavudi
nisongorifera kutongundo bva ndichivo rigomba
Ningomela donation kari de uri nerono langa donation na. How much do you donate your baby for the 16?
No, these people they must get life.
3 days.
How about you? Even mamkara, never to ane ramba nabo business the franchise owner.
Ndiko domu topora we ufinyu kudoita muranga. Oya musizana ndiko domu topora.
Rikodomu amba.
Ndikodomu yere life nga madekwana ndiko lana mayaligegera ni win. Ndono sendona suzozi njisa vatukana vakoze ko right and run. Muofhe ya lardi madi.
Imagine.
Muofhe ya lardi madi. Mia Muofhe she's seriously help ya mini.
Abe umtoroko comment ezusu umshumoni.
Hey.
And ukoto comment basabazibona mushumo dopera mutoroko comment
zinoborime nirinde kotoda tuso ende tuso ati koiwana nisatobva kazvo musi ndozomwana dobana dobe zozomia mwape kotoda tuso chamahola nikomwana zvezvo
vana vamukara no ne udinga
karibia bope vapenga ari vichipenga zvino. Okay, vana musi. Artos diori mia mope ni mpengo wa right.
Nimvekazwa.
Irani mia mope ni mpengo.
Nikozanzwe rigai. Hapo nerabaona.
Nizurani kukorera mpengo mutu unopenga zvakuma nizurani kumukorerana. Kana nizurani kayena nikopona data
nikoibona franchise irokovhura.
Nikorenga zidata nikopona ono.
Kutobona mpengo.
Izvinona nezvijenu ndi mia mope ni mpengo.
Franchise ni yakovhura ke ndi Galitos Saselemani. They call us so that we can do business with them. They call us so that we can do business with them. Do you think ringana chipinga chotechere sabewe una the opportunities ingapa? We are in Saselemane, malamne Galitos Rei Fura Zochimbira, Saselemane, Rokweya. No. You need to be serious. You need to be serious about yourself, because if you don't be serious about yourself, we won't take you serious. Maniga, if you're not serious about yourself, we can't. If you're not serious about yourself, we can't take you serious, maniga. You know what I'm saying? So, retail business hapanoni. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Update. We are here in Saselemane. We are here to roll with Galitos Saselemane. Ikodovura, you know. And then, but Saselemane.